people! I am Mary Joy.
I'm Cheryl.
I'm Jeremy.
And for today's video, we will be filming about the patterns in nature. So, enjoy! Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. Here are the patterns in nature and the examples. Symmetry, the property of an object to be able to be divided into two identical mirror halves. The axis of symmetry is defined as the imaginary line along which an object can be folded or be divided into two identical mirror halves. Fractal, a geometric shape containing detailed structure at arbitrarily small scales, usually having a fractal dimension strictly exceeding the topological dimension. A tessellation or tiling is the covering of a surface, often a plane, using one or more geometric shapes called tiles with no overlaps and no gaps. In mathematics, tessellation can be generalized to higher dimensions and a variety of geometries. A periodic tiling is a repeating pattern. Spirals, a curve which emanates from a point moving farther away as it revolves around the point.